Much love, family, and welcome back. Today I'm going to be retwisting my hair. I just got out of the shower and washed my hair again. So I'm going to retwist and give you an update on how it's been in my 18th month locks, as well as my moisture routine for the summer, what's going on with my locks, and all of that good stuff. So definitely stay tuned and let's get to it. Oh, so first off, washed. I washed my hair about 4 days ago, but I figured I was getting in the shower anyways. I just came from my workout. It's so hot here right now. Blessings to everybody who's involved in the California fires right now. I have some family who are close to the fires, so love to you all. And it's just very hot here, which is not great for, feeding those fires. So anyways, I figured let me just go ahead and wash my hair again and start with fresh wash. Sometimes I will just use a spray bottle, but I went ahead and washed, and I went ahead and tried my Giovanni. I'm trying to get this to show. There we go. I tried my Giovanni. Someone recommended me the triple treat. But when I got this, they did not have the triple treat, and I just wanted a small one because it is a little bit pricier, so I wanted to make sure I liked it before I got a big one. So this is the 50/50, and it says hydrating and clarifying 50/50. So this is, it's Leaping Bunny certified, not tested on animals, a more natural shampoo, and I went ahead and tried it for the first time, because I was down to, tiny bit in here. And I will say, I love how it lathered. I love how it smelled, not overpowering, but I didn't like the way it left my hair. My hair felt a little too clarified, maybe squeaky clean. I may have even heard my hair squeak. I'm so serious. I was like, did I hear my hair squeak? When I was like, after I rinsed it out, and I was like, I don't know if your hair can squeak, but it was a little bit too clean, perhaps, maybe like stripped a little. So after that, I was like, So I went in and I used this. I followed up with this, and then we were back in action. I felt good. Because you guys, if maybe you don't know, but I do not use conditioner. So that put me back in balance, and my hair feels moisturized now and feeling good. So for the retwist, I'm in my living room. I'm not in the bathroom. When I'm doing I've done a detailed retwist before. I will link it above for you. But this one, I'm not going to be looking in the back of my head with a mirror or any of that. I'm just going to grab in what my parts are and twist. I kind of do not care right now, and I just find that the longer I have locks, like I said, it's 18 months now. The longer I have locks, the less sort of care I have to take in keeping the parts together and stuff. And I don't care about super straight parts anyways. I don't use a comb or anything when I'm doing my retwist. So I'm just going to sit here with you all in the living room and retwist. I'm going to use some aloe. And I only use the tiniest bit. I've had this, you guys, since I started my locks, and I can tell you how much of this I use. And maybe some clips for the back ones, the ones that are a little bit shorter. I just have these and these. So let's get to it. So I've got the back ones partied out already. And what do I want to update you guys about? I want to, besides the washing and that detangling thing, you know what I've noticed when I wash, actually, and this doesn't have anything to do with locks, but it has to do with, just using that much for the back row. It has to do with when you grow your hair out. And before, when I would be in the shower, I would not put my hair up or anything like that, when my locks were super baby locks and super short. And now I'm having to put my hair up in the back because it will get, soap on it and stuff when I'm washing my back. I kind of noticed that. It's so funny. And when I'm washing my face, I'll have to put it back because it keeps falling to my face. And that's just the length part of things, not really like a lock part of things. But something else I noticed was, I always have to figure out which way I twisted when I first began. Something else I noticed was I can, instead of using bobby pins or pins or clips in my hair, I just tie my hair on itself now. I got cut off there a little bit, but in that last video I did, I just tied my hair instead of using pins. So what I mean is, like, say I wanted a ponytail right here, I would just take some locks, and instead of using a band or something, I will just tie my hair up like that. I mean, of course, not right here on the side of my head, but you know what I mean? So as I'm gaining length as well, I'm doing my styles with just my locks. And I thought that was pretty cool too. So something else in my 18th month that I have told you guys about before in other videos, I think, is that I do not have to, when I'm doing my retwist, like I wash and do not retwist a lot. When I used to do that, when my locks were, you know, less mature, it would be, my next retwist would be like, oh, I know my next retwist is going to be a bear, you know, because I was washing and not retwisting. So they would marry and all that kind of stuff, no matter if I popped them or not. But as I go along here, now that they're more mature, I can do that and not worry about, ooh, you've gotten yourself into some trouble by doing that, you know. They just kind of separate themselves and grow into themselves. So that's really nice. I'm not too concerned about that happening anymore. It makes maintenance so much easier. So just know that if you are in your beginning stages, and you wash a lot like I do, and it's like, ugh, when I do finally retwist, it's going to be a pain. There'll come a time when things are easier, when it's a lot easier for you. Okay, so you guys, I have a confession for you. That for the past 2 weeks, I have been contemplating putting conditioner in my hair. And it has nothing to do with the moisture of my hair. My hair is so moisturized, and I'll tell you why and all about that in a second. I'll update on that. But it has to do with, I bought this new conditioner for my daughter. It's actually Suave Naturals. And we wanted to try the Kinky Curly because she's been trying the Kinky Curly leave-in. And custard, it's something I used to use when I was natural. So we tried it on her. She loves it. It's doing great in her hair. So we wanted to try the shampoo, but every time we're at the store, they don't have the shampoo, or they're out of it or something. Or is it shampoo? No, the conditioner. The conditioner. We use the same kind of shampoo. But so I just wound up grabbing the Suave Naturals. It was on sale. And it smelled good but not overpowering, and the ingredients were okay on it. So I said, I'll grab this till I can get the Kinky Curly or something else. And it makes her hair feel like, it's like butter. It detangles so easily, no matter if we've neglected our detangling sessions or not. But it detangles so easily. It has made my life and her life so much better. It gives so much slip, you guys. Oh, I should have brought it over here to show you. But it's Suave Naturals. And the slip is amazing. And it leaves her hair so moisturized. We always have to moisturize her hair. We can't go a week without like moisturizing. It's amazing. It's really amazing. So I was like, oh, I want to use some, just because I wanted kind of that feeling in my head, even though it won't be the same feeling because my hair is in locks, so it'll feel differently. But You know, I'm not trying to deal with that buildup and stuff. But I have been tempted. And today when I did my shampoo, the 50/50, and it was too, you know, clean and drying, and I was like, oh, should I just try it? And I didn't. I went ahead and used my tea tree, and it's just fine and moisturized and soft and everything right now. But for some reason, I just wanted to try that darn thing. So this is not to say I won't ever, but, and I don't need it. It's not a need. It's just, I'm just so love how it makes her hair feel and smell and stuff. So anywho, that's my loc confession. For my moisture update and my summer routine update, it is pretty much the same as, you know, I let you know before. I will put a link up here. But I did want to say that me getting that satin pillowcase, because you guys know I'm terrible and I do not put a bonnet on or tie my hair up. So I got the satin pillowcase. And I got one for my daughter too. So it's been helping both of us. And I actually forgot that I did that for that reason. So I was going on about my life and my business. And then I was like, oh my goodness, I made the discovery in one video I was recording for you guys. And I was like, my hair, I have not sprayed it. I have not done any oil for anything for the longest time. And it would stay so moisturized. And it's so hot and dry here, you guys. So I was kind of like, what's going on? And of course, I'm staying up on my water and my, you know, juicy fruits and vegetables. I don't know why I said that. And vegetables. Hydrating every day, being very mindful of that for my physical health as well. And so that added thing, that was the one added thing in there, and it has been great. So if you're like me and you hate wearing a bonnet or scarf at night, get yourself a satin pillowcase, and I think you will love it. So that's been going great. And then the other thing, I've still, you know, no extra spraying and stuff like that. Haven't needed it. And of course, I just do that as needed. My conditioner is the same. I'm still using that tea tree. Now that I know, because when I'm done with the tea tree, I was going to go into the Giovanni 50/50. But now that I know that's not going to work for me, I'm going to need another one. So, once again, maybe I'll just get the tea tree tingle again, because it's a store I go to, you know, quite a bit, and I'll just grab another bottle while I'm there. That's easy. But if you guys do have suggestions for me, let me know down below. That was suggested to me by one of you all, so I am grateful for that. Also, you guys, let me know what kind of videos you want to see, what you want me to update you on or talk about, locs or not locs. And I don't know if you guys know, but I have another channel. It is where I talk vegan food and vegan cooking and shopping and that kind of stuff. So I'll link that above for you. But I think that's about it for my update. Everything's good and smooth, and you know, and I did do pictures and videos for you guys. That is the Loc Journey pictures and pictures and videos video. Anywho, I'll link it above if you haven't seen it yet. But I know people like to see pictures, videos, and I love comparisons where you kind of put side by side different dates. So I did that in there as well. So I'll link that above. But I just wanted to kind of let you guys know what was going on, how that 18th month went. Great. And since we're ending, are we nearing the end of summer, September? Is that still summer? I don't know. But I know stores and stuff have their Halloween stuff out. I know that. But yeah, so I think that's it for my update. I'm going to finish these and I'll let you guys see me at the end, see how it's looking. I'll show you and stuff the back. And if I think of something else I want to tell you, I will pop in again before the end. I kind of feel like this is a cute style, you guys. It's 2 clips right here, of course, because I'm doing the back, but I kind of feel like it's a cute style. Let me know what you think. I am finished. I did a little bit of air drying, but not really. It's still pretty damp. But I'll just let you see what's going on here. That's it. That's my fresh retwist. I always just air dry. I don't ever do a dryer, and I don't even have a dryer to sit under. But I can't imagine doing that in this heat. But anywho, please let me know if you have any questions or comments down below. And I post every Thursday and Sunday. So I will see you again in another few days. Thank you so much for watching. All right.